How to fix Facebook music story not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Facebook music story not showing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix Facebook music story not showing, let's say you're opening Facebook, you're trying to create a new story, you add a photo. To add a music, you tap the music icon here, but then the music that you want is not showing. It simply means that if it's not showing, then that particular music doesn't exist within Facebook. You have to understand that Facebook is not a music application. It's not a library of all the music and songs. It's just a social media that has taken the license to some music, and only if they have the rights, they can give you that music and that you can use them. Otherwise, if they use a certain music without someone's permission, Facebook is going to get in legal trouble. That is the reason why there are only a limited number of songs. However, let's say that if it's not showing any sort of music, there are a couple of things I want you to try out. First of all, you can long press the Facebook app icon here, tap the I button, then just come to storage, clear cache files, and if possible also try clearing the data. Once you've done that, simply head over to your Play Store, check if the Facebook app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem as the Facebook music story not showing. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.